When I sat for my CFA exam, I watched a candidate completely unravel over a simple time value of money problem. Not because she forgot the formula, but because her calculator was set to begin mode instead of end mode. Her answers didn't match her choices, and panic set in. I'm sure many of you have been there too. So let's turn that panic into power with a few calculator hacks. Strategy 1. Pick your calculator early. You can use either the Texas Instruments BA2 Plus or the Hewlett-Packard 12C. Both were approved, but they work very differently. The BA2 Plus is menu-driven and user-friendly, great for beginners. The HP12C uses reverse Polish notation, which can be faster for seasoned users, but it can feel like mental gymnastics if you're new to it. Choose early, stick with it, and practice. Strategy 2. Fix your settings before exam day. On the BA2 Plus, set your decimals to 4 or 5 places and make sure the P/Y input is set to 1. I've seen candidates tank a least valuation question because the calculator defaulted to 12 periods. If you're using the HP12C, make sure your RPN stack is clear and your decimals match your practice work. Strategy 3. Use time-saving shortcuts. For time value of money problems on the BA2 Plus, don't retype inputs. Use the compute CPT function to solve for unknowns like present value or future value. For bond problems, the CF and NPV buttons are your best friends. On the HP12C, chain your cash flow steps efficiently. Commands like G, CFJ save precious seconds. Strategy 4. Clear old data every time. This is the #1 mistake that I see. On the BA2 Plus, always hit second plus clear TVM or clear CF before starting a new problem. On the HP12C, use FREG and FFIN to reset your registers. Don't let ghost numbers that haven't been cleared sabotage your answers. Strategy 5. Practice under pressure. Simulate exam conditions with timed QBank sessions on your chosen calculator. It's like training with weights before a competition. You'll be faster, sharper, and calmer on exam day. Remember, pick your tool, lock in your settings, master your shortcuts, clear the data, and most importantly, practice under pressure. That's how you turn your calculator from a wild card into a weapon. This has been another Exam Strategy Spotlight powered by UWorld, your partner in passing.